Good day, everyone. Imagine a world without communication. No conversation, no messages, and no way to express our thoughts and feelings. Life would be confusing. Relationships would be difficult. And progress would be impossible. That is how powerful communication is in our daily lives. Communication is more than just talking. It is the process of sharing information, ideas, and emotion with one another. It can be verbal, like the words we speak, or non-verbal, such as body language, facial expressions, or even the tone of our voice. Effective communication is important for three main reasons. First, it builds relationships. When we listen carefully and express ourselves clearly, we create trust and understanding. Think about friendships. Most strong friendships are built on good communication. Second, communication solves problems and avoid conflict. Many misunderstandings happen because people fail to listen or explain properly. If we learn to communicate with clarity and respect, we can prevent small issues from turning into big problems. Lastly, communication is the key to success in school, at work, and even in the future. Employers today value people who can communicate well because it shows leadership, teamwork, and confidence. In short, communication is not just a skill, it is a life tool. By improving how we listen, speak, and connect with others, we not only express ourselves better but also understand the world around us. So let us remember, communication is the bridge that connects people. And the stronger the bridge, the stronger the relationship, the teamwork, and the future we can build. Thank you. May we all continue to practice the art of effective communication.